Assalamualaikum everyone.
Waalaikumsalam.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine, sir.
How about you, sir?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine, thank you.
Alhamdulillah.
You look good, sir. Oh, thank you.
Sir, have a seat.
Thank you. So, good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, I would like to thank all of you for making yourself available for this meeting. So, before we start, let's recite Surah Al-Fatihah to make sure our meeting will become more blessed. Al-Fatihah. Oh, before I forgot, I have received apologize for absent Mr. Saad, who cannot join this meeting, our meeting, as he attending a course in Kuala Lumpur. So I'm afraid Mr. Saad cannot be with us today as she is on medical leave. Okay. Actually, this is our second meeting, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
To discuss our food product in this company. So before we proceed, I want to go over the minute of our previous meeting. So, Mr. Bashir, could you pass the previous meeting minute? Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bashir.
Okay, yes, sir.
Thank you. So, based on this previous meeting minute, do you all have any amendment to make?
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, Mr. Taufik.
In the minutes, it states the previous meeting was held on 4th December 2018. However, the actual date was 5th December 2018. So I hope this will be make a correction in this mistake.
Oh,
That's all.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Taufik. So, Mr. Bashir, you please take note of this.
Yes, I take note for that mistake, and later I will make the correction for that mistake. Thank you for correcting me.
Okay, welcome. Okay, any other else want to amendment?
Excuse me, sir. In the page 2, the paragraph 2,
Okay.
actually, sir, I'm the one who will be assigned for the task. However, in the minute stated here that Mr. Afif will be assigned for the task. So, yes, I just want to make the correction that I'm the one who will be assigned for the task.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Zaidan, for your take part for this thing. So, Mr. Bashir.
Yes, later I will make the correction for the mistake. Thank you, Mr. Zaidan, for correcting me.
Sure. Okay. So, who want to amendment again?
I think there is no other amendment.
No.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. In that case, would someone propose that the minute of the previous meeting be accepted, please?
Oh, Mr. Chairperson, I propose that the minute be accepted.
Okay, thank you. Could someone please second the motion?
Yes, sir. I would like to second the motion.
Alright, thank you. I hereby confirm the minute of the last meeting with an amendment. So before we proceed with our agenda, is there any rising matter that anyone would like to ask?
Yes, Mr. Chairperson. I would like to know about the progress of customer hotline service.
Okay, I think Mr. Taufik will respond to Mr. Syazwan question.
Okay, thank you, sir. About the customer hotline service, as we know, we already have the hotline number to customers make a call anytime to us in 24 hours. So it makes easier to customers make a complaint with our product. In addition, sir, we make an improvement in the packaging, which we put the hotline number at the product. So it makes easier to customers make a complaint to us. That's all, sir.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Taufik. Is there anything else?
No, sir.
Okay, well, so if there is nothing more, let us move on to our first meeting agenda. Okay, as we know, our company has gained popularity among more local food activities. However, in response to the Malaysian government on our green initiative, so it is time to us, our company, to change our food production with Islamic teaching. So I would like to hear some suggestion from you all.
Okay, excuse me, sir. I would like to give my opinion or suggestion.
Okay.
Okay. In term to make our food production practices tandem with the Islamic teaching, I believe that we need to hire a halal officer in our company. Okay. Before this, we actually already have the halal certificate. However, there is no one who will be in charge if there is any halal issues occur in our company. So by having the halal officer, he will take the responsibility if there is any halal issues occur in our company, sir, or in our product. So he, the halal officer, he will be the leader to monitor the halal procedure for our company to our food production, and he also will lead the procedure with the any other procedure with the JAKIM, especially about the halal or any halal issue after this. So I believe that by having the halal officer in our company, we will make our food production practices tandem with the Islamic teachings.
Okay. So thank you for Mr. Zaidan.
Yes, I would like to tell my opinion. I also agree with Mr. Zaidan, which is I think that for nowadays that is very important to hire a halal officer. Like what others others food company, they also have their own halal officer. So I would like to tell you how we gonna to get how we gonna to hire the halal officer. Okay, first we're gonna to open the job vacancy, which is the halal officer's position to the public. Okay, at the job vacancy, we will put the criteria that in respect with this task, which is a halal officer. So the criteria must be about the Sharia. We also want to know about the criteria. The halal officer also must have experience from their experience. And then after that, we spread the advertisement to the public, such as we can put the advertisement on jobstreet.com and others job vacancy web. And then from this advertisement, we will do the interview to the candidates. Okay, and from this interview, we also can have the best candidate. So from this candidate, we can choose the best halal officer for our company. So this is my opinion for seeking the higher officer.
I think, sir, the ideas from Mr. Zaidan and Mr. Bashir is great. I consider this opinion will be taken seriously, sir.
Okay. So thank you to Mr. Bashir and Mr. Taufik. So perhaps Mr. Zaidan will assign and handle the process to recruit the candidate to be an halal officer.
So the idea approved by the members.
Yes.
Sure. Thank you.
So the next opinion.
Oh, I want to add other ideas. I think our company need to strengthen relationship with Islamic organization. So what do we get? Our benefit by strengthen relationship with Islamic organization. First, we can share. We or other organization can share knowledge and opinion among us and fix what our company needs to fix in order to be tandem with Islamic teaching. Other than that, we can contact with Jakim to make seminar or talk with workers just to expose them about the right way in ethics works. Also, the management need to play their role by discuss with Jakim, so the production of our product is in the line with track of Islam. That's all from my ideas.
Yes, I agree with Mr. Afif, and I see that this is the great ideas, because I think that to make the cooperation with Islamic organizations such as Jabatan Kemajuan Islam Malaysia (JAKIM), and we also have Persatuan Pengguna Islam Malaysia (PPIM), and also Majlis Fatwa Negara. This is one of the best ways to improve our halal status, which is what I can see is with having the cooperation with this Islamic organization, we can have the seminar such as Mr. Afif said. It will give more understanding about halal to our workers, especially to our workers. And then with this seminar and knowledge to our workers, this will guarantee the halal status on our company. That's all for me. I think that this is one of the best ideas. Yes.
Oh yeah, I agree with opinion from Mr. Afif.
Thank you, Mr.
When we have a cooperation with Islamic organization, our product will become more safety and have a guarantee, like Mr. Bashir said. So, Mr. Afif, you will take a part this task.
Yes.
With keep contact with the Islamic organization, right?
I will share on that.
Oh, thank you. So, any other ideas?
Mr. Chairperson, I believe that we can start to take the stuff or raw material from Muslim supplier only. Because before this, we take the material from the Muslim supplier and non-Muslim supplier. So we supply the material, we mix with the Muslim and non-Muslim supplier. So it can cause raise doubt among the buyers. So my solution is we must take the material from Muslim supplier to make sure it is halal and free from doubt, shubha. Since our product are popular, I think we need to change our supplier from Muslim or non-Muslim supplier from Muslim supplier. So I just add.
I agree with the idea, Mr. Syazwan. I think we need to give more priority, right, to give to Muslim products. As we know, the quality of Muslim product also good and equivalent with non-Muslim product. So why not we choose Muslim product to give more successful to Muslim. That's all.
I'm sorry to interrupt. But I see the point you said, Mr. Syazwan. However, after compare the price from the non-Muslim and Muslim supplier, like we do before this, I see that non-Muslim supplier have the cheaper price from the Muslim supplier. So I think by taking the supply from the Muslim supplier only, it will make our company to face the loss. What do you think?
I agree and I accepted with your opinion, but to guarantee our product status is a halal product, we need to take the material from Muslim supplier. Even the price from non-Muslim supplier and Muslim supplier is cheaper, non-Muslim are cheaper, but the range of the price, the range of the price are not too much. This is in line with our renewal to include Islamic values in our product. So that's my answer from Mr. Zaidan question.
Yes, I also agree with Mr. Syazwan, because to guarantee the halal status, we have to take the risk. We have to take the risk about the loss and profit, and we have to try to change from the Muslim and non-Muslim supplier to only Muslim supplier. So I think the company have to take the risk to try the new supplier.
Okay,
And it also from one of our objective in our company to produce a halal product.
Yes.
yes, okay. So I think that good point from Mr. Syazwan. Our bias is more important for us. So yes, I think we all agree with the opinion.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I agree too because what when in the Syazwan opinion, we believe that we need to focus more about the quality of the food product because nowadays some of the supplier in Malaysia, especially in Malaysia, did not responsible or take part for this situation. So we worry that our food that we produce not safe from the citizen for a citizen in Malaysia to eat. Okay. So any other ideas to add?
Mr. Chairperson, who will be in charge on the
The third
finding the third point, which is finding the Muslim supplier?
Okay.
Who will in charge?
Okay. As the opinion is from you, so you will be person in charge, and I give you the responsible to
Yes,
take
I
part
see.
this
Thank you.
task.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So any other idea to add?
I think there's no any other ideas from us.
Okay.
That's all.
I think so.
Okay, so we agree that we need to hire to improve our food product by hire the halal officer like Mr. Zaidan said, because when we have a halal officer, when we have the halal officer, we have a guarantee in our product. Product. Okay, so the second opinion, sorry, and the second opinion from Mr. Afif, which is he want to take he want to strengthen the relationship between the Islamic organization, right?
Right, sir.
Okay.
Cooperation.
And lastly, from Mr. Syazwan, we have to take a food product from the Muslim supplier.
Excuse me, sir. Can you recap who will be in charge for all of the ideas?
Okay. First, the higher halal officer, Mr. Zaidan, you will be in charge for this task, for this process to recruit the halal officer. And the second one, Mr. Afif will be in charge by keep the contact with Islamic organization. And the last, Mr. Syazwan, you have to responsible to
Find the
Muslim supplier. Okay. So that's all for the agenda. And any other business?
Mr. Chairperson, just to remind everyone that we have Family Day on 23rd December at Polisen Beach.
Yeah.
So I want everyone to take note on that.
Also,
Alright. Thank you, guys.
Okay.
Okay. So we will meet again in the next meeting on the 30 December 2018. Okay. So see you in the next meeting. Thank you. Oh, sorry, before I forget, we have to close our meeting with tasbih kafar dan suratul al-as. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much, sir.
see you soon, sir.
Okay.
See you
Alright.
later.
Alright, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You look good today.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.